Hey everyone, this is Jesse with farmingseattle.com. Wanted to do a video on these 1 gallon propagation pots in my aquaponics bed. They are filled with compost and perlite, and that's about it. Probably 95% perlite so that the water will wick up here, and I was just trying to see how that would compare to the overall bed of just this ebb and flow bed. The water raises, it lowers, so this has worked pretty well, about 50-60% success rate. You just take 6 9-inch cuttings, stick them in there, and a couple months later you have rooted plants. So these are looking pretty good. Let's see if I can get them out. Oh, that one, nothing. I have a feeling this one's going to be huge. Well, these 3. This is a newer sea berry cutting that I did. So I'm going to stick that back in there, see if it'll propagate. If I can. Oh. Gotta find a good spot for it. I haven't done sea berry yet, so we'll see how that is. But yeah, that worked pretty well, I'd say. Has a huge root ball. At this point, you could probably wait until the winter time. Man, that's crazy. You could wait until winter time and plant this bare root. Once the frost hits, this will go dormant. I'm probably going to plant this just right now because I don't have any more pots available. But out of 4, we got 3 to propagate. So that's 75% success rate. Let's see if I can do any others over here. Yeah, it looks like about the same thing. So we got 1, 2... Yeah, so 2 successful elderberry plants in here, because I can't pull it out. So it's obviously got some root mass in there. And got more. Well, this looks like blackberry, thornless blackberry. And I'm thinking all of these rooted as well. So just in these preliminary tests, actually really high success rate. So I will definitely do that again next year. So as you can see, I'm propagating some thornless blackberry this way as well. So I'm just going to stick that back in there. But overall, this is how you can actually make some money or worthwhile with aquaponics alongside making plants or making lettuce, stuff to eat. You can just stick in some cuttings and a couple months later you got your plants. And like this thornless blackberry, it's Triple Crown, super easy to do, but it probably costs $10-15 for a new plant. You could plant your own hedge or whatnot for, if you bought 1 plant 1 year, you could have exponential growth of everything else for the next couple years. And that's how I did 2 rows of my own blackberries, plus selling them for a couple bucks a piece, and then it pays for itself. So perlite in the aquaponics bed, definite easy way to propagate new plants. So with that, I'll sign off, and thanks for watching. You can find me on farmingseattle.com.